white, and Hispanic, women, etc. One, you do not want to grow old and not have your paper right. Two, you don't own no property. So what the fuck you been doing your whole life is what I'm trying to tell people. Because this shit is almost over, Vlad. We talked about this before. You got to start setting up generational wealth because you're dead a lot longer than you're alive. And nobody is taking that shit seriously. I got friends who I'm helping out because they dying of fucking cancer. They can't even pay for medication and they're my age. And it's bothering the fuck out of me. I got aunts that's struggling that was balling when I was coming up as a kid. But you go out in the fourth quarter, fucked up without proper management, and your bad planning should not be my emergency. This is the shit I'm trying to teach young men, black, white, and Hispanic, women, etc. One, you do not want to grow old and not have your paper right.